Hello and welcome to Thursday Thoughts. Today I want to talk about my favorite thing about the steam oven, CSO30. You see, one of the great parts of this new steam oven is that you can program favorites so that up to 24 of your favorite foods are simply done with a couple buttons, and so you can do. So first of all, whenever you hit the oven, it will actually wake up and start in quick start. So for this instance, what I'm going to program is how I like to cook fish, because I like to do fish on pure steam. So I would select enter, okay, and then it would say use rack position 1 or 2. I'd hit enter. It's gonna come to the screen. I actually like to cook my fish at a little bit lower of a temperature because I don't like it to cook as fast, so I'll set that at 200, okay, and I want it to cook for 19 minutes. So I'll go here and it starts at 10 seconds, and then we're gonna go up to 19 minutes and hit enter, okay, and from here I'm gonna hit favorites. And it's going to take everything I just programmed, and I'm going to be able to do that first setting. So I'm going to do the first setting, and I'm going to scroll over. I'm just going to simply put in fish. Now, if you wanted to call it salmon or something else, you definitely can do that. But for this demonstration, I just want to show it real quick. So you would go over and got one more letter with the H here. Okay, and then you go back to the beginning and hit the check mark. And hit enter. And it's gonna say, do you want to run that favorite right now? And I'm gonna say, no, I don't wanna run the favorite right now. And as you can see in favorites, it's right here, number 1, fish. So if I turn the machine off, and then again, you go to wake it up with any button, so I select any button, it's gonna go to quick start. But now I go quick start, I simply select the favorites button right here, and it brings this up. It automatically brings up number 1, so all I have to do is hit enter, and then scroll over and start. And that's all I have to do then from then on to cook fish my favorite way. Thank you for watching Thursday Thoughts. Hope that helps.